What's up, y'all? Back at it here again in the house making some food here for myself and my lady. She on her way home from work, so just thought I'd make her some lunch and stuff before she gets here. That way she don't have to make anything, she can just relax. But in between, I've been working on the car. So one thing that I wanted to mention to y'all too, I know sometimes we get stressed over trying to get a lot of these projects done on the car and whatnot. And I know for me, for myself, I definitely have, I definitely get antsy and want to take every single minute, second of the day to try to like research something for the car, work on the car, get as much done as I can. Luckily for me, I don't have like a family, as far as like I don't have kids, I'm not married, things like that. You know, my girlfriend. So basically, you know, in a sense, I guess I am married, just because we're together all the time. But she's really cool and allows me to do a lot of things with the car in my spare time. And you know, she doesn't you know, ask a lot from me. As long as we spend some time together, it's good. And not for me not to indulge too much in the whole car thing. But you know, definitely take some time to, you know, enjoy time with their family and do the things that you know, families do, you know, movies or game night or whatever you guys got going on. Just make sure you take that time, even if it's just an hour out of your day or whatever, even if it's something as simple as just sitting on the couch as a family, just chilling or whatever. As long as you guys get that time together. I know I'm not great at it, but I'm trying to be better at it. And you know, don't stress about the car stuff and all that and whatnot, man, because that'll always be there. For me personally, and what I found out has worked best for me, is that if I can just get, you know, 20 minutes or 30 minutes or an hour, you know, something constructive done on the car, and or you know, whatever I can get done in a day, great. If it's an hour one day, great. If it's 24 hours of work on the car the next day, great. You know, just whatever I can do on the car that's allowing me to progress further in the build. That's all I'm asking. So like today is my day off. Normally I would try to get as much done on the car as I can, but today, you know, I was like, well, you know, let me take some time just to, you know, do a small project on it, and that's to basically get the seat together, the driver's seat together, and then get that installed in the car, and then just call it a day. That way, you know, me and my girl will have some time just to kind of chill and relax for the rest of the day, and you know, especially both of our days off. She just had to do some projects at her job real quick, and she's on her way back. But that's all I wanted to say, y'all. You know, I mean, you know, I didn't want to make this like a big rant, but just, you know, definitely find a way to have that work-life balance, and you know, take some time to just enjoy life, other than, you know, our car hobbies, which are very important as well. That's our outlet and everything. But you know, make sure you divvy up that time equally to your loved ones too. So anyways, enough of that. Let me get to what the main video is about. But everything is good, y'all. Everything is good. So this is the side that I have mainly been working on, you know, cutting that side and then making those brackets and stuff to install in the car. So that's all good. Now my main focus right now is to get the seat all put back together. So this is the driver's side seat. This is the cover for the seat cushion and everything, and all the hardware for it and everything. So my main objective today is to get this all put back together and then get that attached to the seat assembly bracket, or whatever you want to call it, seat frame or whatever, and then install the whole thing in the car. That way it's in there, and then when I'm able to start it and move it around, I'll have that seat. What is going on, y'all? Coming at you live and in full effect from the 71 Chevelle, y'all. I am in the seat, as you can see, and man, it is fitting phenomenal. This seat is really comfortable, y'all. And I got it all together, put the leather, the cushion, and everything in there. And as you can see, got the Chevelle on there. Got the Chevelle on there. Oh yeah. Everything, power, everything. Let me see if I can actually show you some power. So we leaning back. Oh yeah, we going back. And now the back of the seats moving forward. As you can see, it's going still. It's going still. But yeah, it's all working, y'all. I think this is an 8 or 9 way seat. So it works pretty dang good. I have it hooked up to my jump box right now. The seat is actually all the way back now. So it's all the way back because I can't even reach. If the pedal was there, I wouldn't even be able to reach it. But now it's going forward. So all the way forward now. And then it goes up and down, but I won't raise it up and down right now just because I don't know how much power the jump box has. But here, I can probably go up a little bit. But as you can see, the seat is raising. It goes pretty high. Hopefully my jump box has a lot of power. And then back down. So you lift up like this, and then that allows peeps to get in the back. So what else you can do is tilt that forward, and then you can hit this button here, and that'll move the seat forward. If you can see moving all the way forward. Yeah. And then when you tilt the seat back, you can hit this button, and then it allows the seat just to move back. So you can see the seats moving backwards now. And that's just mainly for the person in the back. Any passengers in the back, allows them to kind of help get in and out that way. So yeah, y'all, I'm loving it. It looks pretty damn good in here. It feels good. It's comfortable. Like I said, it's a little high, but I already knew that going into it. I already knew that the Chevelle or the 05 GTO seats, the newer style GTO seats, were really tall. You know, I'm only 5'10", so it actually fits me pretty good. So anyways, that's pretty much it, y'all. I got the seat installed. It's pretty sturdy, doesn't move. There's one anchor point on it, as you guys have already seen. I believe I showed you guys in another video or another segment of this video that there's one area that I could probably secure a little bit better, but we'll kind of see how it goes. But anyways, fits good. I feel good. I can picture myself rolling in this thing. Oh man, it's gonna be great, y'all. It's gonna be great. So anyways, y'all, keep the likes coming, keep the views coming, like, comment, subscribe, do all the good stuff, y'all. Let's keep this thing rolling, and I'll holler at y'all in the next video. All right, deuces, peace out.